In this video, I'll show you how to create what I look like as a 1930s bride on TikTok. So if you want to create these kind of videos where you turn yourself into a 1930s bride, then let me show you how to create this video trend on TikTok using a free app called Capcut. So before you begin, you'll need two applications. First one is TikTok and the next one is Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download it. Once that's downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. Here you're tapping on search and you're searching for the following: what I would look like as a 1930s bride. Now in the search result, you're looking for those videos that are doing the trend. So for example, this one here and this one here. So go to those videos that are doing the trend. For example, this one here. And you're looking for this button here, Capcut 1930s bride. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on it. This will now show you the template which you're going to use. So once you're ready, go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. This will open up the Capcut application and will show you the template again. Go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now from your camera roll, you want to go ahead and take a picture, which you want to transform into a 1930s bride. Then tap on Next. Now let AI do its work. This will take a while depending on your internet connection and the type of phone you have. And now once it's done, you want to go ahead and play the video and make sure you're happy with it. Now, once you're happy, go ahead and tap on Export here at the top right. Then tap on Save and Share to TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Now, since this is a template, the music has already been added. You can go ahead and add your text, stickers, and any effects, and then post this video to TikTok. Now, for those of you who cannot find this in your search results, I've made it more simple for you guys. So you want to go ahead and search for this username, Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit the profile page. And within the profile page, you're looking for this post here. Go ahead and tap on it. Now in the post, you're looking for Capcut 1930s bride. So go ahead and tap on it. And then this will take you to the Capcut template. So there you go. That is how to create how I would look like as a 1930s bride on your TikTok app using Capcut. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.